Screen recording in progress. Button. Status bar item. 3:17. Utility. WayAround.
Hello and welcome to RNC Adventures. This is Christy, and we are going to do a recording of the WayAround app. So I'm going to open the app.
Settings. Button.
And we're just going to work on editing, how to create a tag, whatever tag you want, and specifically different topics and things like that, or things that you can choose in the create area.
Scanner ready. Press the read button. Create button.
So we're going to go to create.
Create way tag. Heading level 1.
Double tap there.
Description. Heading level 2. Enter a message you want.
You can choose your description here. For this example, we're going to do a house plant.
Multi-line text. Dictate button. Cap V. Cap V. Dictate button. House plan.
And
Details.
then
Level 2.
with details,
Detail type. None. Pop-up button.
it gives you a pop-up button. So when we're going to activate that pop-up button by double tapping.
Detail type. None. Picker item. None. Picker clothing care.
Clothing care is one of our options.
Groceries.
Groceries.
Files.
Files.
Cleaning supplies.
Cleaning supplies.
Personal care.
Personal care.
Custom.
And custom. We're going to go with custom since none of those really fit what we're looking for.
Custom. Done. Button.
And then swipe backwards to done and double tap.
Add a field. Button.
So it gives us the option of adding a field for this. So we're going to add a field.
Your label. Multi-line text field. Your text. Multi-line text field.
And we're going to put, for this particular plant, we're going to say it needs to be watered. We're going to say it needs to be watered 2 times a week.
Dictate. Button. Water 2 times a week. Delete this field. Button. Multi-line text field. Your label. Multi-line text field. Custom. Heading level 2. Your label. Multi-line text field. Delete this field. Add a field. Button. Right. Button. T. Done. Button. Done.
So we're going to see, make sure that that showed up.
Water 2 times a week. Multi-line text field.
And it did. So now we're going to, we can either delete it if we're not happy with it, or
Add a field.
Add another field. So for this one, we want to make sure that we know when we watered our plant. So if we put in a date
Multi-line text field.
for this one, and then each time that we go in and water the plant, we can change that tag to show the new date. That way you can keep up with when you watered it, and when you go to check it and be like, oh, do I need to water this? You don't have to try to remember it. So then you have that option there that you could put in, and then you would
Right button.
hit right and scan the tag to show your new tag.
Success. Way tag written.
So
Return to WayAround.
now it says it was successfully written.
Water 2 times. House planned. Water 2 times a week. Scanner ready. Press the read button below.
And
Hold the top part of your
if
phone
we
on
would have put a
WayTag until you
date
feel it
in,
double-click.
it would have had the date. For this particular one, we didn't put a date in, but obviously you can. So let's try one of the other options.
Edit button. Create button. Edit button. Edit way tag. Heading level 1. End. Banner.
So we can edit that tag if we want.
Back to scan.
I'm going to go back
WayAround. Create.
and create again. So we have a blank
Heading level 1. End. Banner.
sheet to start with. We're going to go with a
Description.
cleaning
Heading level 2.
product.
Enter a message you want written to the way tag. Multi-line text field. Multi-line text field is editing. And dictate button. Lysol all-purpose cleaner. Multi-line text field is editing.
So
Lysol all-purpose cleaner.
Lysol
Insertion
all-purpose
point
cleaner is what we've put in there.
Done. Button. Done. Multi-line text field.
So now we're
Lysol
going to go
all-purpose cleaner.
down
Details. Heading level 2.
to the details
Detail type. None. Pop-up button.
and change that to
Detail
cleaner.
type. None. 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 Clothing care. Groceries. Files. Cleaning supplies.
cleaning supplies.
Done. Button.
Close that
Done.
out.
Detail type. Cleaning supplies. Pop-up button. Cleaning supply. Heading level 2. Ingredients.
And
Select.
so you
Pop-up
have
button.
the option of putting what the ingredients, if you know the ingredients, if you have someone that can help you find the ingredients, or a magnifier, or other options that can help you get the ingredients if you wish to put them in.
Warning. Select.
Any
Pop-up button.
warnings that are on the bottle, you can add that in here.
Purchase date. Pop-up button.
When you purchased it, if you want to add that.
Best before. Pop-up button.
When it's best to use before.
Other date. Pop-up button.
And then any other dates. So if you use this product, say on a Thursday, and you want to know that you used it Thursday, you could put that in to know when the last time you used it, so that you know, it's probably time to clean again. Not that not everybody needs that reminder, but if you have a busy life, you might need that reminder.
Back
We
to
can
scan.
look back at,
Header. Back to WayAround. Heading create. Button.
and then obviously with that, you would hit the right tag and write it again. Let's look at one other one that has a little more options, and that's under files. So we're going to go back to create.
Create. Button. Create way tag. Heading level 1.
And
Banner.
I'm going to skip the description,
Description. Heading. Enter a message you want written to wait. Details. Heading level 2. Detail type. None. Pop-up
and
button.
we're going to just
Detail
choose
type.
file.
None. Clothing care. Groceries. Files. Done. Button.
And
Done. Detail type.
with
Files.
this,
Pop-up button. File. Heading level. Type. Select.
it gives
Pop-up button.
you a type. And so you can go into this
Type. Select.
pop-up
Sticker item.
button,
Adjustable.
and it gives you the option of different
Select.
files.
Sticker item. Auto.
Auto,
Business.
business,
Education.
education, equipment,
Financial.
financial,
Hobbies.
hobbies,
Household.
household,
Legal.
legal, medical, personal,
Other.
and other. So you can choose from any of those different things
Personal.
that you
Medical.
want
Legal.
to label as your files.
Household. Hobbies. Financial.
So let's
equipment,
look
Education. Business.
out of curiosity and
Business.
look at this
Sticker item.
business
Done.
and
Button.
hit done
Done.
and see
Type.
what
Business.
options
Pop-up button.
come up
Type. Business.
under
Pop-up
business.
button. Create a date. Pop-up button.
So you can create a date,
Last updated. Pop-up
last
button.
updated, so when the file was last updated.
Due date. Pop-up button.
If you have a due date that you need to accomplish something in your business, you can put that in here.
Other date. Pop-up button.
And then any other dates.
Add a field. Button.
And then, like with the first tag that we were creating, you can add fields
Right. Button.
here as well, and then write your tag. So there's multiple different things. We can look at a couple of others. Let's look at the clothing. So I think I can go back up and just change
Details. Enter a message you want written to wait. Details. Detail type. Files. Pop-up button.
file,
Files. Cleaning supplies. Personal care.
personal care.
Personal care.
No, let's go to clothing.
Custom. Personal care. Cleaning supply. Files. Groceries. Clothing care.
Clothing care.
Done. Button.
So with clothing
Detail type.
care,
Clothing care. Pop-up button. Clothing care. Sorting. Select. Pop-up
so
button.
you can put, of course, in the details, what color it is, whether it's striped, where, any of that type of stuff. And then down here, in the details,
Clothing care. Sorting. Select.
what
Pop-up button.
it would be sorted, what colors, what, how you would want it sorted,
Washing. Select.
how
Pop-up
it
button.
needs to be washed,
Drying.
how it
Select.
needs to be
Pop-up button.
dried,
Other. Select.
and
Pop-up
any
button.
other information, special instructions that might come with certain clothing. And then that would all be on that tag. So we can look under the personal care.
Clothing
I
detail
think
type.
that's the last
Details. Heading
one.
level 2. Enter a message you want written. Description. Heading level 2. Create way tag. Heading level 1. And clothing care. Heading level 2. Detail type. Clothing care. Pop-up. Detail type. Clothing care. Clothing care. Groceries.
Oh, groceries. We have that one as well. So we'll look at it real quick.
Groceries. Done. Button. Done. Grocery item.
All right,
Heading
so
level 2.
under groceries,
Grocery item. Nutrition information.
you can
Select.
put the
Pop-up
nutrition
button.
information,
Certifications. Select. Pop-up button.
certifications.
Purchase date. Pop-up button. Certifications. Select. Pop-up button.
Let's see what that
Certifications.
has under
Select.
it.
Select. Fair trade certified. Halal. Kosher, dairy. Kosher, meat.
So whether it's kosher,
Kosher, neutral. Kosher, parfait. Non-GMO certified.
whether it's non-GMO,
USDA organic.
USDA organic.
USDA non-GMO
So
kosher.
you have
Parfait,
different
kosher,
options
neutral,
under
kosher, meat. Kosher, halal. Fair trades select. Done. Button.
under
Certifications.
certifications,
Button. Purchase date. Pop-up button.
and then under purchase date,
June 2019.
you can, it has
Select 27. Selected. Picker item. Adjust
pick your
28.
item
27.
that you
Selected.
can select the certain date that you bought the item.
June. Done. Button. Done. Certifications. Select. Purchase date. Best before.
And then when it's best before, and that's another pop-up button. So it would be another picker item for the date.
Other date. Pop-up button.
And then you can put other date in there.
Add a field.
And then, of course, at the bottom seems to be a running thing of having a field that you can add for any other notes or information that you might want personally for that tag. And then you would, once again, hit the right button and have the tag ready to write it. And you're good to go. The last one, let's go back up.
Nutrition, grocery item, detail type, grocery item, heading level 2, detail type, groceries, pop-up button, groceries, files, cleaning supplies, personal care,
Personal care.
done, button.
Let's see
Detail
what's
type,
under it.
Personal care, detail type, personal care product, when to use.
When to use
Pop-up
it.
button, instructions, select.
The instructions for the item.
Purchase date, pop-up button,
The purchase date. And, of course, those are pop-up
instructions, select. Pop-up button, purchase date.
pop-up
Instructions,
items
select.
as well.
Pop-up button, select. Picker item, adjust as needed. On empty stomach. With food. With food. On empty stomach, as needed.
So that would be good for medications.
Done. Button. Done. Instructions. Instructions. As need. Purchase date. Pop-up button. Best before. Pop-up button.
When it's best before.
Other date. Pop-up
Other
button.
dates.
Add a field. Button.
So other date could be when the last time you took it. And then you can update that every time you take it if you wanted. And then we have the other fields option. So, and then the right tag again.
Back to scan. Button. WayAround.
And then the way to edit a tag,
Edit. Button.
you would
Edit way tag.
hit
Heading
the
level 1.
edit button,
Banner. Description. Heading level 2. House plan. Multi-line text field.
put in the new description, put in the new information that you have,
Right.
and then rewrite the tag. I hope this is helpful. Leave any comments if you have any, and let us know how you're using the WayAround app if you're using it. Thanks. Bye.